What's the difference between using let and var? JAVASCRIPT 6 introduced the let statement. I've heard that it's described as a local variable, but I'm still not quite sure how it behaves differently than the var keyword. What are the differences? When should let be used over var? Scoping rules. The main difference is scoping rules. Variables declared by the var keyword are scoped to the immediate function body, hence the function scope, while let variables are scoped to the immediate enclosing block denoted by brackets, hence the block scope. The reason why the let keyword was introduced to the language was the function scope is confusing and was one of the main sources of bugs in JavaScript. Take a look at this example from another Stack Overflow question. My value 3 was output to console each time func j was invoked. Since anonymous functions were bound to the same variable, people had to create immediately invoked functions to capture correct value from the loops, but that was also hairy. Hoisting. While variables declared with the var keyword are hoisted to the top of the block, which means they are accessible in their enclosing scope even before they are declared. Let variables are not initialized until their definition is evaluated. Accessing them before the initialization results in a reference error. Variable said to be in temporal dead zone from the start of the block until the initialization is processed. Creating global object property at the top level. Let, unlike var, does not create a property on the global object. Redeclaration. In strict mode, var will let you redeclare the same variable in the same scope, while let raises a syntax error. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.